Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we are testing every single mask on Amazon. And today, very excited to look at the M95i from Lutema. Let's do this, let's break it open. Now the thing is this is a KN95, but they're using something called marketing to kind of differentiate themselves. But it is the KN95 design, I can tell, and look, they're not claiming KN95, which is a Chinese standard, so they're basically making up their own thing, which, you know, respect. Let's put it in the clamp machine and see how this goes. This is an all black mask, and I like the bag that it comes in. It's a resealable 5 bag, made in the USA, emblazoned right on it. I can confirm, I know the manufacturer here, they are an American manufacturer, making everything in San Diego, California. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. If you want to find out more about how this thing works, check out that link. Now listen, we are just looking at filtration here, okay? We're not talking about fit. Fit is personal, it's individual. You know, I can't tell you who to love, and I can't tell you what mask fits best on your face, but I can tell you if the fabric is going to give you that filtration. So let's take a look at this. I only have 5 to mess around with. Ooh, that broke. Let's try again. That's not good. Okay, I got a good one. I got a good one. Oh, it's maybe flukes, we don't know. I like to see it be a little stronger than that. You can see right in here they've got the logo, which is nice. The thing that kills me about most KN95s is they don't have the logo on the mask, so you don't know if what you're buying is from that actual manufacturer, but I like that. And it is all black on the outside. They have 2 ear loops that broke, but I know the Lutema people, being in the United States, if you hit them up, they will replace it. So I was surprised that it didn't break them. Great ear loops. It's got a soft inside and a harder outside. I think that's to give the super black look. You hardly look like a duck in this mask. I don't love the KN95 design. Not a fan of it just because of the duck look. But of all of the ones I've seen, like this one, it looks, at least it's kind of blending in. It's almost ninja-like. It does have a slight smell. I would call this smell a brand new credit card. Yeah, this is a brand new credit card. Take it out of the package. That's what you're smelling. It's not as strong as most KN95s that I found on Amazon, but it must be the process of the machine, because it is of making these, because it is a little bit similar. I actually don't even know how these are made. We don't make this design here. Now I will switch over to the PFE machine a little bit. I just want to point this out. The airflow resistance is actually pretty high for a lot of KN95s, 170. Now, if you're going to compare this to an N95, that has to be below 250. So that's actually in a really good range for an N95. But most KN95s I find to be around 150. So that actually is a little high. But filtration does follow breathability. And look at that filtration efficiency. 99.67. 99.67. That's probably one of the highest KN95s that I've seen today. It's a really good mask. It's definitely going to, if you got the good fit, it's probably going to protect you. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this is helpful. If it was, give me a like and subscribe. If not, you know, you could just write a really nasty letter, you know, to my kids. Just tell them how much their dad has failed at this YouTube channel. You could do that. All right, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next test.